pretty like berry color that I like to put on my cheeks to, you know, just help to bring out the structure of my face, because I have a really round face. Like, I don't have the high cheekbone, like modeled structure face. Like, I kind of want to do that. But other than that, I don't have it. So today I'm going to be talking about the basics of makeup, like the basic products that you should have in your kit, like no matter what type of makeup look that you are trying to go for. And this is for those girls who don't really want to go for the super full coverage glam type look, and want something just like super light and more on the natural look side. This video is for y'all. So let's get started. So the absolute products that you must have in your kit: primer, foundation or BB cream, and we're gonna go over BB cream, concealer, setting powder, and a lip gloss, or if you're not really into lip gloss, then lip balm. It's up to you, and a setting spray. So back to primer. So you can have a primer in your kit, or if you are really into skincare, or if you would prefer to use like some skincare products other than a primer, because I mean, getting a primer is extra money. And if you just like have a consistent like skincare regimen that you use, that can cut the cost and you won't have to buy a primer, if that makes sense. So if you, let's say you're using like I'm just gonna randomly say Mary Kay, and it's like super moisturizing to your skin, and that's honestly a good foundation to start off with, honestly. So if you moisturize with your skincare products, then you don't necessarily need a primer. Now if you just prefer to use a primer, or you can use both. You can use your skincare products and go straight into makeup, or you can do your skincare products and then use a primer on top of that for extra moisture coverage. That's up to you. But yes, priming your skin, whether you're going to use a primer product or skincare products, either choice is definitely necessary. You want to set yourself up with the best canvas that you can. Skincare is super important when it comes to makeup. You definitely don't want to go into it with super dry skin, because then your makeup is going to come out looking scaly, if that makes sense. It's gonna look scaly, and you're gonna be able to tell that it looks super dry, like your skin is gonna start like peeling. That's why I say scaly. So it's super important to go into your makeup routine with very moisturized, soft looking skin, so you can get that smooth, flawless look that you're going for. So that's primers. And next I said foundation and BB cream. So I got my notes for you guys. So I went ahead and pulled up BB cream so I can explain it to you guys. So BB cream, that stands for beauty balm, and it is basically another form of foundation but less coverage. As it says on my notes, it's sheer coverage. That means that if you have like blemishes and stuff like that, it won't necessarily help to cover those blemishes. If you are looking to cover up some blemishes and imperfections and all that stuff, then foundation is the way to go. But if you already have skin that's like pretty smooth and you're blemish free for the most part, then BB cream is definitely for you. So let me make sure I don't miss anything on my notes. Yes, I already said foundation is a better choice if you're trying to cover up blemishes and imperfections. Yeah, that's basically all you need to know. BB cream is very light sheer coverage, and that is for those girls that have the really, basically, this is what I say, the girls that have the perfect baby smooth skin, perfect, no imperfections, no blemishes, no none of that. Y'all the ones that can use the BB cream. Y'all the ones that can really use the BB cream like that. But if you got, you know, a little extra going on, then foundation is the better choice for you. And you don't have to get a high coverage foundation either. You can get medium to high coverage. Those are the buildable foundations. And when I say buildable, I mean, like, let's say you put your first layer on your beauty blender, and you blending it out on your face, and then you spray more on the beauty blender, and then you go back on top. That's what I mean when I say buildable. So yes, BB cream or foundation. Next, let me not miss anything. Concealer. I definitely think concealer is necessary. It just adds more dimension to your face, and you don't have to do the whole highlight and contour thing. You could just put concealer under your eyes in a very light amount of it, like a strip, like going right here just like that, and then right here going upward to give you a natural lift, and that's all you need. And then blend it out with your beauty blender. I'm not really a fan of just putting on foundation and that's it. I think it looks really weird. I think it doesn't, when you're just wearing foundation and that's it, and your face is just all one color, I feel like it looks kind of weird. I don't know how to explain it. Like, your face is just one color, you know? It doesn't bring out your features. Like, I know that's the whole point of highlighting and contour, to help bring out your features, but just adding a little foundation and maybe a little blush, that will help to bring out your features much more than just foundation and that's it. I hope you guys are following me. That's concealer. And then a setting powder. Setting powder, you can use a loose setting powder like this one. This is the loose setting powder that I like to use. This is what I mean when I say loose. You see that? There we go. That's what I mean when I say loose. And then another setting powder you can use is a foundation powder. Okay, so a lot of the times I set my face with a foundation powder, and I use MAC Studio Fix. So this would be what you call you see that? This one would be what you would call a pressed powder. And then this one that I showed you guys is a loose powder. I like to have both because I use them for two separate reasons. Now, honestly, they both can be used to set your face. It just depends on what you like. I like to use them both separately for separate reasons. I like to use this one to set everywhere that I put highlight on my face. And I like to use this one to set everything, including the contour and the highlight. But you can also use this to set everything as well. You just gotta be careful, because if you use too much, it'll make you look a little ashy. So that's why I use two separate ones for two separate things. So next would be blush. That's optional, but in my opinion, I do think that keeping a little bit of blush on hand would help to enhance your look and to bring out that cute, soft, like natural glow. Not glow, but natural like color. So if you're like me and you're a bit more, you know, on the lighter end, I like to keep blush, because I feel like without the blush, my face just looks kind of one color, and just I look drowned out. Like I look like a thumb. Like, I've been trying to avoid saying that, but I look like a thumb. So I like to keep some blush on hand, because I don't look like no thumb. So you don't have to have a blush palette. This is just an example, but I mainly like to use this color, and I don't use too much of it because I don't like it to look super strong. But this is a real pretty like berry color that I like to put on my cheeks to, you know, just help to bring out the structure of my face, because I have a really round face. Like, I don't have the high cheekbone, like modeled structure face. Like, I kind of want to do that. But other than that, I don't have it. I have a very round, soft, like baby face. So I have to create that type of look with blush and contour. But I'm not gonna talk a lot about contour on this video, because this is like just the basics for my girls who don't really like to contour, and you don't have to. So yeah, I would say blush. I think I missed that on my nose, but I think a little blush should definitely be a staple and one of the basics in your kit. Next, I have lip gloss. So lip gloss or lip balm, you can wear whatever shade lip gloss you want. You can do red, you can do pink, you can do purple, you can do clear, you can do whatever color lip gloss you want. And you can also line your lips if you do that as well. But if not, whatever, it's cool. But definitely, I would say have a little lip gloss to spice it up in your kit, and then a setting spray. Now, I don't want to say the setting sprays can get a little tricky because they don't get tricky. It depends on the type of look that you are going for. So my skin is naturally on the dry side, so I like to find setting sprays that are, one, moisturizing, and then two, will give me a nice pretty glow after I set every day. And let's see, let's show y'all what I have here. So this setting spray, this is the Morphe setting spray. So I get this from Ulta. I think I've showed this numerous of times in my videos, and I've talked about it a lot. And I've also talked about this Mario Badescu setting spray as well, that I also get from Ulta. So I like to use these because these help to keep my skin moisturized as I'm doing my makeup and after I set it. So I spray this continuous setting spray as I am doing my makeup because it just helps to, like I said, keep my skin moisturized, and it also starts to melt in my makeup as I am working. And then when I'm done with everything, I go ahead and set a spray with the Mario Badescu, and then I use my blow dryer to set it all in. And I noticed that the Mario Badescu helps to set my makeup in even more smoothly, and it also gives me a bit of that glow that I'm going for. Now, if you want more of a matte type set look after your makeup because you have naturally oily skin, there are products out there for that as well. Morphe has a product. This is just a continuous setting spray, but they do have a matte continuous setting spray in this. And then you can use the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, and there are plenty of other ones out there too. You just have to read. When you're picking out your makeup, know your skin type and then read what you are buying. If you have dry skin like me, you don't want to pick up a bunch of matte products because that is just a recipe for disaster. So yes, just read what you are getting. Let me see, I feel like I was about to say something I forgot. Definitely read what you're getting, and keep up with your skincare. Your makeup, you can see all of the inspiration that you want, but if you're not really like having a consistent skincare regimen and you're not really taking care of your skin, your makeup is not going to come out quite how you want it. And I've had to learn that the hard way. My stuff was coming out looking so dry. I was like, what is going on? I know I'm doing all the right things or all the right steps or whatever, but my makeup did not start coming together the way I wanted it until I really started taking care of my skin more. When your skin is looking and feeling better, so will your makeup. So I'm gonna go over the staples again to have in your kit. As for starters, a primer, a foundation or a BB cream, concealer, setting powder, lip gloss, and a setting spray, and you will be good to go. Comment down below if you want a video of me using specifically those products. I certainly will. I'll go ahead and record that. But yeah, comment down below and let me know. But yeah, I feel like, in my opinion, I feel like those are the staples that you need to just do like a basic 1-2 or a basic everyday look. And it might seem like a lot of products. It might seem like a lot of products, but I just feel like it might seem like a lot of products at first, but once you really get into the routine of it all, it's really not. Like, it'll really only take you about like 15 minutes to really bust down a super simple makeup look. So that was just a little explanation and education in behind that. But like I said, I can film a video showing you like step by step how to use these basic products to get a basic everyday nice pretty soft look, because like I said earlier, everybody is not into the super glam, super heavy makeup look and, you know, lashes and all that good stuff. Everybody's not into that, and that's okay. Don't let anybody make you feel like that's not okay. I don't do this every day. Most of the time I don't do anything. I just do my skincare and I'm out. I'm out and that's it. And then other days, I don't even use my normal liquid foundations. I'll use just this powder foundation, and then I'll put on some concealer and I'll set it and do a little powder contour, lashes, brows, and that's it for me. Like, it just, do you, okay? Do you. And I am here to help, because we can all look beautiful and get the look that we want, how we want it, all that good stuff. So yeah, that was the basics. Let me know what you guys think. If you still need more help and more tips, comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. And yeah, like I said, I will definitely record a video of me doing the step-by-steps of what I explained in this video and showing you the products that I use and blah blah blah. So yeah, just let me know. I really hope this was helpful to you guys. Subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a blessed, beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.